There's a bit of a community amongst us. I couldn't be more happy when I see another food truck succeed. The majority don't, and I see the same food trucks changing hands a couple of times in 1 year, and it's like a revolving door, which I don't like, and it's not good for the industry either. I want people to know that this is a business that's here to stay and they can make a lot of money, but if they think it's going to just fall into their lap, that's just not the case. It takes a lot of work. It's a bit different from having a job because you're in charge of your own destiny. You can still pick up your kids from school if you want. You can choose when you work. You might say, you know what, I just want to work on weekends. And if you're doing a couple of events a weekend, you're going to make a lot more money than if you just had a 9 to 5 job.